this weekend that I don't want to feel mediocre for. So I decided to just do it a day early, which I've been advised that it's totally fine. I did want to show you guys how my vial comes with my syringe if you are someone who's on the LH Lean program or starting the LH Lean program, so you kind of know what to expect. That is the program that my med spa is doing. Basically, they send you these syringes they come in a bag, and then they send you the vial. It comes in a box. So I am going to take 40 units in my syringe. I'm gonna put it into the top. This is like a little, you could poke through this with the needle. So I'm gonna poke through it, flip it upside down, and draw out the 40 units of the medication. Today, might inject in my stomach. I injected in my thigh, left thigh 2 times ago, and my right thigh last time. So I don't know. I've been feeling pretty good with the thigh, actually better than I do with the stomach, so maybe I'll just do the thigh again. Getting through that in my head with you guys. I am now gonna go clean the top of my vial with an alcohol wipe, and I am going to then take the cap off, draw up the medication, clean my stomach or my thigh, whatever I'm choosing to do, and inject. I still get just as nervous every single time doing this, and it blows my mind that people do this without having a doctor to talk to or a nurse to talk to. I like to hold it like this. I know some people like hold it like this, but for me it's better if I hold it like this. 3, 2, 1. Done. Doesn't feel that great. Something else I've been noticing, if I don't massage it right after, it stays a little stiff and my leg will hurt a little bit. Same with my stomach. So I find that like gently massaging it after I do it, which was a tip from my med spa, does make it feel a little bit better.